I'm standing right next to the Rio Grande right here in the city of Rio Rancho. In the distance you can see the Sandia Mountains, and then just across from this river is the expansive Sandia Indian Reservation right there. Actually, one can probably swim to the Sandia Indian Reservation, which is located right next to the city of Rio Rancho. I just love the sound of the rushing waters. What a great view this is of the deep blue skies of New Mexico. Right here, the land of enchantment. This area is right next to the village of Corrales, and right next to Corrales is the city of Albuquerque. But right now I am in the city limits of Rio Rancho. This area is often called the Riverview or Riverside area of the city of Rio Rancho. Absolutely beautiful location. I just love the sound right here. There's plenty of water in the river Rio Grande. Beautiful day of April the 11th, 2024. Reporting from Rio Rancho. This is Rio Rancho. By the way, this area used to be called the North Beach area of Rio Rancho, New Mexico. Reporting from Rio Rancho, right next to the village of Corrales. This is Rio Rancho.